So in this code we have the cell phone number and name and the last name. So this array has the three auto data, which is the cell phone number and the username. Then we need to modify the output to just display the cell phone number and the last name. So in this code, so when we run it, so as you can see there is a first name in the output. So basically when we should update this or modify this, and it should display the cell phone number and the last name only. So how do we modify this one? So first, to modify the code to display only the last name, you need to use a regular expression to extract the last name from the string that contains the full name. So we just need to extract. So how do we do it? So first, we will try to put an if statement here. So we declare full name equals match dot group, then 2, then last name equals full name, and that's split into -1 in order to get the last name. So for the printf, we will just display the last name. So when we run this code, it should display the mobile number and the user's last name. So when we try to run this code, to name the canal is error. So we have the error, name the canal, is it? Okay, pick one. Last name, and let's check %s pattern numbers match pattern number and match group, volume that split, and -1. Run this code. So we try to run again. It says okay. So it says now that we have the phone number and the last name of the person. So maybe that's all that we need to modify. So the full name variable contains this full name variable contains the full name extracted from the string using the regular expression pattern. So this is the pattern. So this is the regular expression. So we use import RE to use the pattern. Then we do the split method used to split the full name into the list of words. So finally, the -1, this one is an index used to extract the last word, which is assumed to be the last name. So the last name variable contains the extracted last name, which is then printed along with the phone number.